This here right in front of us is the full Mansory conversion on base of the Rolls Royce Wraith. Absolutely gorgeous. You have reflections all day long. Just look at it. The luxurious and legendary star roof. So listen to this. Hello guys, I am Mr. Automotive and today I'm welcoming you all with the all new 2023 model Rolls Royce Wraith. But as you can already see, it's not a normal Wraith. This here right in front of us is the full Mansory conversion on base of the Rolls Royce Wraith. In today's video I want to give you a full tour of the exterior, showing you all the highlights and all the additional parts by Mansory. Afterwards we'll check out the special interior, and then last but not least we will be talking about the sound. So before I get into it, let me tell you more about the car here in specific. It's on base of the Rolls Royce Wraith, coming with the V12, but Mansory has also pushed the performance of this monster up to 740 horsepower, 1000 Newton meters of torque. We do the 0 to 100 sprint in 4.5 seconds, and the VMAX is at around 285 kph. All in all, the exterior paint is a nice chalk grey nardo color tone. We have a lot of additional carbon fiber parts and details which I have to point out, so let's get on and let's start with the front of this Mansory Rolls Royce Wraith. First things first, we have the Spirit of Ecstasy here. It's a full black gloss finish which looks absolutely fantastic. The front bonnet here is full finished in forged carbon fibers, a matte finish. We have all around the exterior a lot of baby blue details. You can also see that by the grille. As soon as you move onto the side, you can see the details on this side, and as soon as you move on to the other side, you can see the details on the other side as well. On the front we have the additional Mansory parts as forged carbon fibers, a matte finish here as you can see also on the front splitter. We also have some additional Mansory lights here on the bottom to give this the final touches. So all in all, guys, how do you like the first appearance and the look of this Rolls Royce Wraith by Mansory? This being a right hand drive because it's going to the UK, to its customer. It's a super special car. I really like it. Whoever spec'd this car should win an award. I really like it. The interior exterior combination is superb. Talking about the wheels, we have the Mansory forged wheels here in the front. I think we are talking about 22 inches. It's a full black gloss finish, and also the Mansory emblem. It's always straight, even though when it's moving, it's always on the same position. I really like it. On the side, Mansory parts as well, forged carbon fiber. We have the pinstripe by Mansory here. It's actually a wrap, and also the Rolls Royce detail. We will be talking about the inside in a bit, but before we do that, let me just give you a further look on the outside. We have a full black gloss finish here. The windows aren't tinted. The rear again 22 inches. Mansory forged wheels, looking really cool. And now let's talk about the rear. So now it's time to focus on the rear of this Mansory Wraith, and as you can already see by the outside of the number plate holder and also by the inside, the way we have the positioning of the steering wheel, because it's a right hand drive car. This car is going to the UK. Yeah, anyways, we have a very nice exterior paint also. As we have the sun shining on it, it looks absolutely fine. Something really cool that I have to point out are the additional Mansory parts. Here on top we have this first spoiler. Then down here we have another spoiler sitting in the trunk. Here is forged carbon fiber matte finish, and then we have this additional forged carbon fiber part. The outside of the taillights are always finished in black gloss to give this the final touches. The rear diffuser is also full finished in forged carbon fiber, and we have the Mansory specific exhaust system here. The sound is really nice. We'll be listening to that in a bit. We have the F1 inspired brake lights here in the rear, and all in all, an absolutely fantastic and gorgeous looking car. I think the Wraith by Mansory is one of my favorite cars. How do you guys like it? Leave it in the comment section below. But now we'll be talking about the inside. But as we have a UK vehicle here, we are going from the other side. There we go. Opening the door, suicide doors. And then we have the special interior by Mansory. Let me just uncover the seat for you guys. Watch this, it's so beautiful. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Just look at this seat. 1 second, there we go. I love the color tone here in the inside of this Mansory Wraith. How do you guys like it? So as we have a customer car inside here, I will be very careful here. I will be just leaving the floor mats and we'll be also putting the seat cover on later on. There's a full blue, is a kind of Tiffany interior, it's a very bright blue color tone, and you just have to look at the attention to detail here because the full interior is completely handmade and hand finished by Mansory, and it's absolutely special. Just let me give you a full tour, it's so nice. So we are now right inside the all-new Mansory Wraith, and there's a lot of things that I have to point out. First things first, as you focus on the door panel here, we have a very cool 3D design leatherwork here. And then in addition to that, we have this wavy design here also on the side with the stitching. And then we have some additional waves here with another stitch. It looks so nice. I really love the attention to detail here, the 3D and then the additional stitching, and then this again makes this look so nice, honestly. Also here on the seats, you can see we have the Mansory Wraith specific seats with the black piping, blue stitching, full blue leatherworks here. We have the Mansory initials, and then we have again these waves. So cool with the perforation all over the inside. Something that I don't like, and I have to be honest with you, is that we have the dashboard finished in blue as well, so you have reflections all day long. Just look at it. It's something I don't like, but it's a matter of taste, and also it depends on your usage. I would rather go for a full black leather dashboard here so it doesn't reflect. Honestly, it disturbs me all the way. Just look. Imagine driving this and having all these reflections, you see that? Anyways, looking at the steering wheel, we have a round shaped steering wheel with the carbon fiber details. Also here on the steering wheel itself, the shape is completely different to what we know from the factory. Is a Mansory specific shape. We have the full leather airbag cover with the Mansory initials here. It's a full carbon fiber finish. We have a lot of chrome in the inside here. On the side, door handles, even the speaker covers. Over here, literally every single thing. It's a top-notch luxury feeling inside it. It's actually based on the Rolls Royce Wraith black badge, as you can tell by this badge here. Then we have the Mansory initials with the full carbon fiber details. In the back we have a super special interior trim again with the nice carbon fiber details, with the nice wave design here. And on top we have the luxurious and legendary star roof, which is, I think, stock coming from Rolls Royce the way it is, like that. Huge fan. As you can see, it's full black leather finish, and I wish the dash was also finished in black to match with the entire look. But all in all, guys, how do you like it? Now we will be listening to the sound. The exhaust is already on, and I will be giving you a few revs, okay? So listen to this. It's a pretty nice, decent sound, but still extremely powerful. Honestly, it's a super dominant sound, and also with the appearance and the look of this car, it makes this so perfect. How do you guys like it? Leave it in the comment section below. So now it's time for a sound check, and as we have a Rolls Royce here, we have the self-closing suicide doors, obviously, so special. As I mentioned, we have the Mansory exhaust on this one and a V12, so the sound is amazing. Listen up to this. 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's a very nice and decent sounding V12, but extremely dominant, as I said. And also let me demonstrate to you the brake lights. Actually, we have the F1 inspired brake lights here in the back. You can see that. It looks so special. I honestly love that detail here. It's F1 inspired and gives this car kind of very sporty and racy touch. How do you guys like it? Leave it in the comment section below.